It's rolling.
I wanted to tell you about this book, Delivering Happiness. The CEO of Zappos recently wrote this book. It's coming out June 7th. And we were asked to write a review on it because I submitted an application to do so. And one of the things I learned in this book was about the culture book. This is something that they do at Zappos that I think is really cool, so I requested one, and this is the culture book. And it's so cool. It's super heavy, which I was like, whoa, when that came to me. It has just a little bit of information about documenting what happens in the year of Zappos. This is their 10th year, so on the back they have like kind of the date and everything. And then it has a history. They have all their values in here, and then and some pictures of what they do together as a team. And then everyone submits what they believe is the culture of the company. And most of them have a flavor to them that's consistent pretty throughout, but some of them are really unique, and it's always good to hear in somebody's words with their name on it of what they personally believe is the culture of the company. So I've assigned this task to all of us at Silver Square to create our culture book. Ironically enough, I have everyone's culture submitted but my own, so I'm going to work on mine. But watch for this. We're going to be blogging about it and having a contest June 7th. The contest will be before June 7th. The contest is going to run next week. And check it out and start your own culture book.
And what do you get if you win the contest?
You get this book if you win the contest. Not this book. I'm keeping this book. This book, not this book.